How to convert a fraction to percentage. In this video, we will show you how to convert a fraction to a percentage. For this example, we will convert 5/8 to a percentage. As a quick reminder, the number at the top of the fraction, in this case, number 5, is called the numerator. The number at the bottom of the fraction, in this case, number 8, is called the denominator. When we are using percentages, what we are really saying is that the percentage is a fraction of 100. Percent means per hundred, and so 50% is the same as saying 50/100ths or 5/10ths in fraction form. That means we need to convert the fraction, 5/8, to have a denominator of 100. Step 1. Divide 100 by the current denominator, which is 8. 100 divided by 8 equals 12.5. Step 2. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 12.5. 5 times 12.5 equals 62.5. 8 times 12.5 equals 100. This gives us a fraction of 62.5 over 100, which means that 5/8 as a percentage is 62.5%. Give this a try for yourself and try to convert the fraction 3/4 into a percentage.